This guy isn't like any other guy. He's making $44.7 million a year and dating the world's highest-paid supermodel. Ladies and gentlemen, Devin Booker. But today, we're not here for basketball. We're here for the Phoenix Suns baller's dream house. In today's video, we'll look at his stylish desert oasis, a definition of winning in life. Are you ready? Let's get into it. Being an NBA star and, at the same time, dating a member of the Kardashian clan is definitely not easy. That's why the whole design of his Arizona home is what happens when cozy meets modern. The first room is this great room with a mountain view and a massive granite coffee table that took the whole Phoenix Suns team to get inside. The room was put together by the same people who also designed his girlfriend Kendall's LA home and even Kris Jenner's California mansion. That's no surprise though, as the Kardashians influenced the whole world, and Devin was not an exception. Let's move on to the living room, where the magic happens. And by magic, we mean a bunch of 7-footers coming together. You'd be surprised how fast the giant sofa fills up. But since Devin made sure everything was inviting and comforting, there's no doubt it does. He would do anything for his team, and by anything, we mean building a custom table for the games the boys like to play. Uno, spades, and their specialty, bourrée. But does it get more use than the tequila bar next to it? Maybe. But we'll tell you what he does make use of. The gorgeous marble kitchen with not one, but 2 islands. Why? This guy's cooking it all for him. Talking about food, we have a dining room that is 10 times cooler than your mom's. Thanks to the chairs and the chandelier, it has a mid-century vibe. Plus, a big part of the house is the wine cellar. Who would have thought that a big boy such as Devin enjoys his conversations over some good wine bottles? But judging by the size of it, the NBA star is full of surprises. The opposite wall is decorated by an art piece by James Turrell, at which Devin likes to stare until it feels like he's floating. Now, the office/gaming room. Well, more of an office now, since your boy did some growing up and turned into a man. The main pieces of the room are the vintage Italian leather couch and the strange-shaped desk. This is where the deals get done. His bedroom is, however, for easing up and chilling. And if we had a bed as big as this one, we would do the same. All day. Now, what is not that surprising is Devin's sneaker collection. We mean, there's not really anything else in his closet. Can you guess which ones are his favorite? No, they're not the custom Jordans 1985. They are, hold it together for this one, Converse. Well, everyone has their own taste. When you step outside, the backyard consists of a Bali-inspired pool with a modern feel to it. But, it's not really about the pool as much as the fact that you can literally have a movie night while soaking in the pool thanks to the projector screen. Reminds me of that Jaws movie screening on the lake. Now, the main star of this house is the game house. That's the little playground for not-so-little boys. But that's not all. It also serves as a theater, a studio, and a pool hall. If you're impressed now, wait until you see what he's hiding in the garage. Devin wanted to continue with the family tradition of car collecting, so we can find some very interesting pieces here. For example, Grand National GNX and the NBA star's favorite, the '59 Impala ragtop. In his own words, the pretty penny. So there you have it. There is no doubt that Devin Booker is living his dream, and he still has a lot ahead of him. We can't wait for what kind of property he snaps up next. If you're also curious, don't forget to comment and subscribe so you don't miss it. See you next time.